What's up, guys? Have any of you ever been riding your scooter and you all of a sudden feel a little bit of wobble on your tire and you're wondering what that wobble is? Well, it's probably a nail. So, this is what happened to me last night, and I want to show you what I have, how you can fix it, and not have to buy another $150, $200 tire. So, here we go. I'm just going to show you what I've got. Look at this, man. That's a screw. That's not even a nail. So these are PMT tires. I bought them from Fast Ride in France. This is the Weped GT50. These tires are the larger PMT tires and will fit on the GT, the GTS, GTR, SS, and SST models. So getting and fixing a nail or a screw in a tire is a super pain in the ass. However, with the right kit, you could fix it. And the biggest thing, my tip, is if you have the nail or the screw on the top of the tire, that's a lot easier to fix than if it's on the side here. So the kit that I'm going to show you is the Stop and Go Pocket Tire Plugger. So I'll show you all the components. I'll show you how to put it together. I'm also going to demonstrate what it's like actually putting it in the tire. And then at the end, the actual fix. So here we go. Okay, so here we have the Stop and Go Pocket Tire Plugger set. You will need some pliers. These do not come with the set, but you will need these. Essentially what I do is I take this, roughen the hole, then I take this piece, put the mushroom head in the top. I'm having some technical difficulties, so I won't be able to demonstrate this actually popping in and staying. Oh, it is staying. Okay, perfect. So then what you do is you screw this top piece on, and you want to stick this in the hole. Then this Allen key, essentially the way it works is you twist, the mushroom head will come out, and we'll plug the hole from the inside. So just like this, it plugs the hole from the inside, and then you'll see this remnants outside the tire, and you cut it off. Hey guys, I'm going to try and demonstrate this as easy as I can with one hand. So this was the screw that came out. Not good at all. Tire is flat, right? So all the air is out. And I'm just using this piece to just loosen or roughen the hole. All right, so next I want to plug this in to the hole. Again, I'm trying to do this with one hand here, so bear with me. And once I get it in, I'll continue filming. Okay, so I had some challenges because this piece alone would not fit into the hole. So I actually used this piece, which I didn't show you in the earlier video, it essentially just goes in like that and allows you to stick the whole piece right in, and then you just unscrew so that this piece can stay. So now that's nicely in the hole. This piece here, you can see the mushroom head is inside. So I'm just going to screw that in. Probably do a time lapse to speed this up, but hey. All right, so next what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this Allen key, and the mushroom head's going to go inside, and then I'm going to take the Allen key to pop it back out, and then I'll show you the remnants of the mushroom head sticking out on the next video. Presto! So look at this. Mushroom head is in. So what I'm gonna do is just, can't really show you much on this video, but I'm just gonna pull this out just a little bit more so it has a nice seal. Then I'm gonna put some air in this baby, spray this piece here. Before I cut this, I'm gonna spray it, make sure I don't see any bubbles, and then cut it off, and we should be good to go. Stay tuned. Okay guys, so here I'm at the air pump, and I put air in the tire. It's hard as rock. It's awesome. So I did spray it once, a couple times. You can see some bubbles here, which I'm gonna spray again. You can see some bubbles, but I believe the reason is because when I pulled the screw out, there's still a little bit of air in between where the screw was and this plug, but not the mushroom head, because the mushroom head seems to be blocking any air coming out, which is exactly what I want. So I don't really care if there's some air still coming out a little bit from where the screw was, but I'll keep you posted. I'm really happy with the results, and you'll be too with this mushroom head solution to flat tires on your scooter. All the best. All right guys, so I'm back at the house and cut off the little stump, and check this out. Solid as a rock. All right, man. I'm gonna go out tonight. So that's it. Highly recommend this product, and you should totally get it. And this is not a paid advertisement. The Stop and Go Pocket Tire Plugger. It's awesome. Hope this helps. Cheers.